How to make Uber Eats delivery account in Canada. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can make Uber Eats delivery account in Canada. For this, you require the Uber Driver app. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search icon and here you want to search for Uber Driver. This is the application you want to have installed on your device. For that, tap on the install button. Once it has been installed, tap on the open option. Now sign in or register. If you already have an Uber Eats account or Uber account, then you can simply sign in using the same account. If not, you can simply create one either using your email address, phone number, Google account, or Facebook account. Now, once you have been signed into your account, all you want to do is select your city. Now, you want to select your vehicle type. After that, you will have to upload the required personal documents. Now, you will have to pass a safety screening. Then after that, you will have to upload your vehicle documents. Now wait for your account to be reviewed and approved. You want to also purchase an insulated delivery bag after it has been approved. Remember that for Canada, you must be at least 21 years old and have a 2-door or 4-door car with a maximum vehicle age of 1990 or newer. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.